Hello and good morning, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This morning we are doing a walk-around startup and a drive video for you on a 1969 Dodge Dart. Now this beautiful orange car has a 340 under the hood with a 4-speed manual transmission. This car has been completely rotisserie restored. I don't exactly know when it was restored. Judging by the way the car looks, I'd say it's been within the last 5 years. This is a beautiful car. The paint and body on the car are very nice, super solid. The car is very straight. I don't see any bubbles or blisters down on the bottoms of the fenders, the doors, the rockers, the rear quarters, anything like that. Now, I will tell you that the Dodge, the Swinger stickers and callouts have been added to this car. This car would have not came from the factory as a Dodge Dart Swinger. It was a 318 car, I can tell you that by the VIN number. It does, however, have a fender tag on the car that calls the car a 340 4-speed, which I don't want to have anyone say that you told me this was a real 340 Swinger. It is a 340 Dodge Dart Swinger now, but it probably did not start off life as that. I'm not going to tell you that it was not a 4-speed car, but it did definitely have a 318 from the factory. So just want to be clear. We try to be as transparent as possible here at Kinion Classics. I'll tell you exactly what I know about these cars. I can tell you one thing. This is one gorgeous car. You can check out the paint. You can check out the body. Door gaps, panel fitment's very, very nice. It's got the steel wheels on it with the Mopar division hubcaps on it, also known as poverty caps. BF Goodrich Radio TA raised white letters. It is, I did crawl underneath this car just a little while ago. It is a date coded correct, or it is a correct 1968 to 1971 340 engine in the car now. So the underneath the car, like I say, I'll put it up on the hoist here in a little while and take some undercarriage pictures, but it is absolutely gorgeous underneath. You will see in the pictures. And you can just tell it's had a really nice restoration. Dash is very nice, 4-speed on the floor, Hurst shifter, little tripod of gauges down below the dash there. Jams are very nice. Doors are very nice. Package tray, sail panels, headliner. Like the dome light cover is missing. Visors, they're all in good shape. The seats have all been redone. Reupholstered seats, carpeting, panels. The dash says 35,040 miles. Who knows if that's right or wrong. New glove box liner. Man, it's just a nice car. It's got the night and day mirror on it. Looks just like it should. I mean, gorgeous Hemi Orange. The chrome bumpers on it look like they're new. The stainless trim, bright work, all the stainless around the windows looks great. Inside the trunk's very nice. It's got the original stamping here on the quarters and trunk lips. Jack instructions. Jack is over there. Man, what a pretty car. Got the right exhaust tips on, all brand new exhaust, brand new mufflers. All the paint inside the doors and the jambs is very nice. Very nice under the hood as well. Aluminum radiator in it. Original exhaust manifolds. Looks pretty well stock under the hood. They took the time to put a nice battery hold down on it. Painted up real nice under the hood, like I say. This whole car is just super nice. The only thing I can see, a guy could probably polish this stainless piece out just a little bit better than what it is right now. Outside of that, I mean, it's gorgeous. And there's nothing wrong with that. I'm trying to be picky and trying to show you something negative. And it's not really even negative. Oh, I can tell you that. I don't know if the blower motor's working. I thought it was. Wipers work. Headlights, dash lights. Got a nice little tack here.
With the talent coordinator, and I would work on myself.
Radio works. Left signal. Right signal. I don't know about the bright headlight indicator. You can see it in the background there. It's trying to, it tries to light up, or it is lighting up, but the dash has got those, they put the LED, like the blue LED bulbs in it, so it's kind of hard to see. Ooh. License plate lights, tail lights. I already showed you can see the front turn signals work, so I'll flip this other one on quick. Man, what a pretty car. There we go. We'll start her up here. I didn't want to run it too long. The gas gauge says just above E, and I already ran out of gas with one car today. I don't really want to do it with another one. What a gorgeous 69 Dodge Dart. Like I say, you can see the panel fitment. The doors fit really nice. Panel fitment gaps are nice. Let's take her out for a spin. I always love these Dodge and the 69 Darts. They're just a really pretty car, nice body style. It's probably my favorite year. I've actually had this car for a little while, and I thought I had it advertised, and I didn't even have it advertised, so shame on me. Man, what a nice running car. So Transmission shifts good. The brakes work good. We'll get out and walk around it real quick. Hopefully she don't run out of gas while we're doing it. That's what happened to the last Pontiac I was doing this morning. 7 o'clock this morning, and out here broke down and ran out of gas. And luckily the neighbor right down here, I walked by his place. He's like, "Hey buddy, I'll give you a ride." So he gave me a ride back to get some gas. And only had to walk about a half mile instead of 2 miles. Gorgeous little car. Hemi Orange 69 Dodge Dart 340 4-speed. Been completely rotisserie restored. You can buy this car with confidence, everybody. Buy this car and ship it anywhere in the country, and you're going to see exactly what I just showed you. Even the reverse lights work on the car.